revelation of the promised Messiah, it says, Antal Masih alladhi la yuzalu waqtahu.
Yes.
What is actually?
Antal Masih, Shaikhul Masih alladhi la yuzalu waqtahu.
What is the actual meaning of this particular revelation? How do we interpret it?
The meaning is obvious that you are the great Masih whose time is not wasted. That means that Hazrat Masih Maud put every second of his life available to him in the service of Allah. Yet he sometimes perhaps was worried about. Sometimes he would be lost. He was eating, he was sleeping as well. He was resting sometime. He was talking to children. So something must have been lying heavy on him, which Allah wanted him to be put to rest. So he said that although you have done everything in your power to sacrifice your time, every morsel of your time to my sake, yet I see you're not completely happy and content. You feel perhaps that a part thereof may have been wasted. But I know you, and I tell you, this is a glad tidings from you, that as I see, not a single second of your life is wasted, and everything is being put into the service of Allah. This is a reassurance from Allah, and that also tells a story, untold story, of what passed in the mind and heart of Hazrat Masih Maud before this revelation.
Assalamu alaikum.